Hello class, good afternoon. I, your English teacher, welcome you all in my class. Dear students of class 7, today we are going to start chapter number 3 in our supplementary book An Alien Hand. The title of the chapter is Desert. I hope you all have heard this word, desert. So let us know what a desert is, what are the qualities of a desert, and what are the things that we do not know about the deserts. हम deserts के बारे में क्या जानते हैं, क्या नहीं जानते हैं, चलो देखते हैं इस चैप्टर में. Let us move to the chapter. Those of us who live in the regions covered with the forest and the surrounded by hills may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really like. The narrator says that the people many of us who are living in the desert, who are living in the forest areas, or who are living in the areas which are surrounded by the hills, and the person who have never seen desert, they may find it very difficult that what a desert is. The popular belief is that it is an endless stretch of sand where no rain falls, thereof no vegetation grows. What people generally thinks about the desert? Whenever we heard the word desert, what a picture comes in our mind? A picture that comes in our mind is only a picture of endless stretch of the sand. We think that a large area of the sand where there is less water and where there is almost no vegetation, only that area is called a desert. This is the feeling that we have about the desert. It is not dry, what it is dry, hot, waterless, and without shelter. But this is not entirely correct. Though this feature of the desert is correct to some extent, but it is not entirely correct. For those who have studied it, the desert can be a beautiful place. It means to say that the people who have made some studies about the desert can be a very beautiful place, because for the rest of the people desert is not a very beautiful place. It is a dry area with dry hot waterless area. But for the person who have who has studied about the desert, for them the desert may be a very beautiful place. It is home of variety of people, animals, and the plants that have learned to live under very hot and dry condition. Desert is the house of the many people, animals, creatures, plants who have adopted them to live in under the हार्ड एंड ड्राई कंडीशंस. सो क्लास, इस फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में नरेटर ने हमें क्या बताया है? डेजर्ट के बारे में बताया कि जो लोग पहाड़ों में रहते हैं, जो लोग फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं, उनको डेजर्ट के बारे में उतनी चीज़ें नहीं मालूम होगी क्योंकि उन्होंने देखा नहीं है. और हमारा जो कॉन्सेप्शन है डेजर्ट के बारे में वो बड़ा अलग सा है. जब भी डेजर्ट नाम आता है तो हम सोचते हैं बहुत दूर तक फैला हुआ सैंड जहाँ पे कोई वाटर ना हो, प्लांट्स ना हो, लाइफ ना हो. लेकिन यही सब डेजर्ट नहीं होते हैं. डेजर्ट में और कुछ भी होता है और डेजर्ट बहुत सुंदर भी हो सकते हैं. डेजर्ट कैन बी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल आल्सो. लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ट्रू, द ग्राउंड इज नॉट ऑलवेज हिडन बाय अ कवर ऑफ द ग्रास, plants and trees as it is in the other climates, but whenever it rains, which is rare, desert flowers bloom, and the sight can be as rewarding as any tropical. Again the narrator said that many people say that the ground in the desert is always covered by the sand. It is a correct thing, but and again he says that it is also very correct that the ground in the desert area is not covered by the grasses and the flowers during most of the period of the time, but when it rains, then it is covered by some very beautiful flowers, very beautiful plants, and those beautiful flowers are as beautiful as the flowers and the plants found in the tropical regions. Let us come to the next part. Here in this part again the narrator is making some clarification about the desert and making us realize that what are the wrong conceptions that we have about the desert. Generally we think that desert is a flat area of the sand. There is no mountain and anything like that in the desert, but it is a wrong conception. The narrator is telling us himself. He says a desert is not always a flat unchanging wasteland of dry land. It may have mountains and hills. It is not that in a desert there only a flat endless surface of the sand. There may be mountain and hills in a desert. It may have an oasis, and not only that, in a desert there may be an oasis. What is oasis? Oasis is an like a green island in the middle of the desert where a spring or well gives plant and trees and a better chance to grow. See, this picture is example of the this picture is your oasis. So what happened in a desert there may also be a oasis. And what is oasis? Oasis is like an green island in the middle of the desert. It is a green area in the middle of the desert uh, which provides plants and trees better chance to grow. A desert cannot a desert may be hot like the Thar and cold like Ladakh, but generally speaking, if a place has little or no water and vegetation, people usually call it a desert. There are some other specification about the desert. There are some other characteristics of a desert. It is not that a desert is always the hot areas. A desert may be hot like the Thar desert that is found in India. A desert may be very cool like Ladakh desert. And if we talk on a general manner, which place is called a desert? The area which receives very less rain or receives no rain, means where the rainfall is very less or almost there is no rainfall. And if such type of place does not have a lot of plants, this is called that this is a desert. People usually call that this place is generally called a desert. So which place will be called a desert? The place which receives very less water with very less vegetation is generally called a desert. Let us see the next part. Some deserts are almost totally without water. In the world there are some deserts which have almost no water in them. In such places, strong winds blow rising heaps of sand and depositing them as a mounds. In such a desert where there is no water, what happens? A very strong wind blows, and that wind takes the sand from one place and deposits it to the another place. And these in a way a mound of the sand keeps on moving. This mound of the sand is called a dune. Few plants can survive on such a dry, shifting sand. This dune is very dangerous, and very few plants can survive in such a dangerous and shifting sand. This is the part 1 class. Now we'll continue tomorrow.